ladies and gentlemen, and welcome. I'm Manasi Scott, and I'm going. Our next guest on stage is well known as a visionary business leader and professional entrepreneur who founded the Yes Bank. And under his tutelage, of course, Yes Bank has become a household name. Today, he's And I'm going to call onto stage the man of the hour, the moment we've all been waiting for. He needs no introduction. With a huge round of applause, please welcome King Khan, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. And I do believe the moment we've all been waiting for is the unveiling of the book. Aditya Bhatt, if you could help us with that. Mr. Khan, we'd like you to do the honors. Radha Kapoor, the next generation entrepreneur. If you're here, also Mr. Rana Kapoor's daughter, she should come on the stage as well. We need to give the videographers a chance as well. All the still photographers, please sit down. Khan Sahab, you can also sit down, and Mr. Doot and Mr. Kapoor. I believe what SRK is to entertainment, RK is to banking. And you've got this little tete-a-tete. Mr. Kapoor wants to fire some rapid-fire questions towards you. Mr. Kapoor, over to you.
I thought we were going to have some warm-up speeches.
Yes, we could start with Mr. Doot as well. Mr. Doot, you can start. Mr. Kapoor has handed it over to you.
It has been my proud privilege to talk to you when my family friend Shah Rukh Khan is here. I would say Shah Rukh Khan, just not a family friend, he is just as a brother here, and Videocon we have started with this inspiration, and I can always say that Shah Rukh Khan is also owner of Videocon too, and that's why he comes over here. Otherwise, such a difficult time, he is so busy, and it is impossible to find Shah Rukh Khan like this over here in such a good mood, and always busy, always doing with the film. But शाहरुख जी, हम आपको एक बताते हैं, हम आपके दिल वाले हैं और आप भी हमारे दिल वाले हैं. इतना ही मैं बोलता हूँ, बाकी आप लोग आपको सुनने आए, मुझे सुनने नहीं आए.
Thank you so much, Mr. Doot. Over to you, Mr. Rana Kapoor.
Thank you very much. This evening is rather special for an extra special reason, because it's not just about the movie industry and the media and entertainment industry. It's about contribution. It's about the contribution the leaders can make towards Indian business. I'm very happy to report in my presidency.
I'm going to feel gigantic standing next to you, but I think you have a mic in front of you. We'd love for you to say a few words. While you're seated, you don't have to stand.
Thank you very much, and a very good evening to everybody. Thank you very much for having me at ASSOCHAM, and thank you, Doot Saab, for calling me. And people I can't see, but most of the people in the film industry look forward to leaders in the industry, in the respective industries, like Doot Saab, like Mr. Rana Kapoor, to show us the way, show us the path, because sometimes creativity does overtake the business angle of it all, so we don't understand. So I thank ASSOCHAM, I thank everyone involved with this white paper, and everyone who is here on stage, and all of you showing an interest in an industry which really does form a core, one of the core industries in India. You know, when we talk about Make in India, Made in India, we talk about the kind of stuff we do in this country somewhere, perhaps a little selfishly so, or self-absorbedly so. I do feel the Indian film industry does stand for something very specifically and beautifully made in India. It does take us across borders, it tells people about our cultures, talks to them about our music, and somewhere down the line spreads the word of what India stands for in its own, sometimes mad, sometimes cool, sometimes colorful, and sometimes perhaps a little over the top way. So thank you very much for showing this interest. We all from the film industry, on behalf of being someone on stage, a very small part, little cog in the wheel of this great film industry that has been going on for the last 100 years. I thank you on behalf of the film industry for taking time out, all you leaders, to tell us what is the way forward. I've known Doot Saab for many years, his company for many years. Like he said, I'm family, I'm part of it, and I wish I did.
Owner of the company.
I wish I owned it, like he says, yeah. I wouldn't have to work so hard. And yes, perhaps we do work for pittances, we do work small time, perhaps we do things which are not as big as these wonderful businessmen who see the world from a different eye point than we do. But we will learn from this. So thank you very much. Thank you for introducing me to the concept of DICE, as Rana Kapoorji said. DICE, right? Yeah. He says this, yeah, this is cool, so I understand. This I understand. DICE I understand in my own way. I just want...
Nice needs to be elaborated.
I'll elaborate, yeah. I like girls to call me darling. D is for that. I want to be interesting to girls. C, I want to be really the coolest guy for girls. And E, I should have eyes so I can pataw any girl that I want. That's the DICE I understand. And inshallah, one day this DICE will make me on the billions that you're talking about. But thank you very much for having me over, and thank you everyone for attending this function. And I'm only too happy to come to functions like this, because I do realize the importance of business leaders like Rana Kapoorji, Doot Saab, and many amongst you who show us the path. We all have been struggling for years to think of the film industry as an industry, be as organized, be as far-sighted, be as visionary as most of you in this room. And hopefully one day we will get out of, you know, when you are creative, there are times and spaces where you do sometimes neglect the business, and perhaps we don't have the overview that all of you world leaders of businesses from India have, but it makes us feel very important, makes us feel extremely humble that you should consider us, like you said, a very small business of about 6,500 crores, or maybe just about 7,000 crores, smaller even to television, where we all work hard, my friends here, and we try to keep the culture going in our own happy way, through the Bollywood films, through the South Indian films, through the Punjabi films, through the Odia films, through the Bihari films, through the Bengali films. And for years, this has been going on. And we hope sometime that, yes, inshallah, one day we will crack the international code in terms of business and viewership. And we can only crack it when organizations like ASSOCHAM and leaders like Mr. Rana Kapoor, Doot Saab, so many amongst you, show us the path. So please do help us, explain to us the path to take, so that if we don't get the billions, at least we understand how many zeros are there in it. So thank you very much for this great evening. I hope you guys have a good dinner, have some wonderful drinks, and you have the most entertaining people with you, Doot Saab and Rana Kapoor Saab. So you don't need me for entertainment. So I'm trying to sound as serious I can, but God bless you, and thank you for having me over. Thank you very much.
Khan Sahab, now I'm going to ask you to stand up.